Hello guys, welcome to another video on the channel. This is another breakdown video of a trade I took today on Eursud. Today is NFP day on Friday. So this trade actually happened during London session, so I wasn't scared of the news. Alright, so I think so on the 4 hour, you see that after this price leg right here, we started to have some pullback. Right, this correction phase of price here, and you can see it rallying down. Right, so yes, a day before that I took this buys and then I've been bullish on it. So I was bullish till it got to this breaker. This is where I was expecting price to reverse from, but unfortunately it has smashed through it and it keeps going up. So during London session, the same schematics happen again. Alright, we had a break of this 45-minute supply zone right here. Now this is a flip zone. So basically what a flip zone means is that when price creates something like this, right, in our sense we will be expecting price to come and respect the last demand and then go up, right? But in this case it breaks the demand and then it comes back to rate as a demand before continuing to the downside. So that's exactly what happened here. We had this supply level that price was supposed to sell from. It's actually sold for a while, but it wasn't any great price move, so just broke through it, and then when it came back for the retest, that's when I decided to enter the trade for a buy. On this retest, that's when the trade happened with the same schematics that I've been using. I got this trade also. So since I was looking for a buy, I was expecting price to take out the low of the Asian session, which happened right here. This was the low of the Asian session. It got taken out as our, can consider it as our break of structure because it's a very significant price. And then the most recent low that happened before this break of structure, I think that was on the 3 minutes. Yeah, right here. This is exactly where it happened. Right, so we had a change of character here, and then this price leg was what came back to give us our entry, but unfortunately I couldn't enter here, so I entered on this retracement, and then another change of character happened here, so it was also a good entry for me to enter on this one. So that's where I entered my trade, and then I was targeting my 20 pip, and then my stop loss was below here, so I had a 20 pip target which was right close to here, and then it got smashed after price played around for a while. Right, so right after this trade, since I bought this Eursud into an area of interest, right? This breaker right here, I was expecting price to sell from this breaker, so I looked for the same confirmation entry, which is the displacement above or below a low, and then that happened here with this price leg, right? So when this happened, I was looking for a retracement and then a sell to the downside, but then unfortunately I didn't set my stop loss to be above this high. Instead I put it right above this one. So you can see that when price came back to trigger my trade, it actually took me out after some few minutes after triggering me. So if I was to put my stop loss here, I would have been safe, and then I'll be able to target my 20 pip TP, which was here. And even this trade would have been during the news because there was NFP at 12:30, right? So this is what the NFP really sold for a very good amount of pips. It's about almost 80 pips right here. About 80 pip move on your rates during the NFP. And then price has been wheeling around and then giving us a retracement to the upside. So that's the trade I took today on Eursud. I didn't take any trade on Nasdaq and then on gold also. So nothing happened with these two pairs. But then actually during the NFP, I set this limit on gold. It was right around this area, 1230 here. So I set a sell limit at this point, and then a TP right here, and then my stop loss was above this high. But then I didn't get triggered, so the order got rejected. So I didn't get triggered into that. Would have been a very nice trade for NFP, but it didn't trigger, so that didn't happen. Alright guys, that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.